all right, I've got to find some people to contact. So I'm going to find people's emails and I'm going to send them emails about my application and get some feedback. And then I've also added some localization to my application. So let me just show you some of that stuff. So let's start off with the devotional app. I'm going to work on this devotional for women refuge app for this week. And it's the oldest app that I've created, or the first app that I created back in September. It's a passion project for me, so I just built it. I didn't do any research. I didn't do any keyword research or anything like that. And then whenever I actually did keyword research, I found out that it's a very competitive space and very difficult to grow an app in the church devotional Bible space. But anyways, these are the numbers that I'm at right now. So almost 4K of impressions. So it's getting seen. 179 page views, which I think is okay. The conversion rate is actually way better than what it was, so that seems like it's trending in the right direction. 46 downloads, and then it's not making a whole lot of money, as you can see. But the other things here that I'm going to do is hopefully improve these numbers. So the first thing that I am working on to improve those things is the thing that I don't really like to do, because I'm a builder and a developer, is doing some cold outreach and finding individuals to actually try out the app. So I'm just using Google Maps and I'm finding staff members at churches. I'm going to send them an email, give them the app for free, and hopefully I'll get some feedback from them to just kind of get the ball rolling to see like what's really terrible or what they're looking for in something, or what they hear from people that go to their church, what they're looking for in a Bible or devotional app. So once I get that, then that means I'll have a better roadmap on what to build. So this is step one, getting those emails sent out and hopefully hearing back from people. The other thing that I've been working on, which was related to some actual feedback that I got, was that someone wanted the app in Portuguese. So I went ahead and did all the coding to actually convert the app into Spanish and Portuguese. And so now I've now widened my potential user base, I guess, because I've converted it. And it really wasn't that difficult to do because of AI. As you know, you just throw it in there, have it translate it, and you get all that stuff set up and running. So hopefully that also helps with getting more people in there. And I'm getting ready to submit it and push this out. So there'll be a new version of this going out soon. And then the other thing that I tweaked and I am still working on and I need to finish before I actually ship this out are all the other localizations. So inside the App Store, the United States supports about 10 different languages by English by default, which means that you can go through and click this little button here and add all of these to as your localized languages. And it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to translate your app into all these. I am for Spanish and Portuguese, and I'll show you that down here. Like I am converting my keywords to Spanish and Portuguese, but the key to this is that once you add all these things, it means that that keyword field is there for you to use for every single localization. So you can have all these here, but then you can change them for French and still just throw in your English keywords, but you can target other keywords that you want to go after. So instead of being able to go after like 14 keywords here, because they limit the amount that you can go after, it expands it to like 140 or whatever the character limit is, 140 keywords, because I've got 14 in here. So on average, you can kind of get somewhere around 100 keywords that you can target by adding these on here. And you can find the list of what the United States supports at this developer at developerapple.com, their reference for all their localizations. This is the list of localizations that support English by default. So those are the ones that you want to add up here, and then go after these and go through here and change your keywords. But yeah, I mean, if you support Spanish or Portuguese, you should probably actually go after Spanish and Portuguese keywords, which would make things even better for you because people in those languages are going to be typing out words in their own native language. So that's what I've been working on for today, and I'll be back tomorrow for another update. See ya.